Welcome back to Blind Man Morris, and today I am putting myself to the test. Recently I did a video called 5-minute jobs you can do on a Saturday morning to keep your Morris running properly or efficiently. And one of those jobs was adjusting your fan belt in around 5 minutes. Now I thought to myself at the time, is it possible? And now I'm going to put myself to the test and find out whether I can actually adjust a fan belt in less or close to 5 minutes. Now this includes the bonnet up with me having the tools I need in advance, because usually it takes me about half an hour to find a spanner and then 2 minutes to do the job. So I've madly unadjusted my fan belt. So if you could see how
you've done the bolts up, let me be clear
it's
about
completely
that.
tight. They're tight. Look, I'll even show you, look, with my spanner. When I can look, see, I can't even see what I'm doing. Anybody think I was blind? See, as you can see.
Okay, that's completely tight.
That's tight. And that one's tight.
Yeah, okay.
So they're all tight.
And
so I am not cheating.
And so we're going to film this in a full 5 minutes, and I'm going to do the countdown. So I'm not going to edit out anything once we've gone past this bit and we've started it again. And we'll see what's possible, yeah?
So can I adjust a fan belt in less than 5 minutes?
And what tools have you got? Let's just go through what you've got.
For the top two bolts which hold your dynamo or alternator on, they are 1/2 inch AF or 13mm. So I'm going to use a ratchet and a ring-ended spanner. And for the bottom sliding bolt, I am going to use a 9/16 socket, like that.
Okay. That's
all I require.
Okay. Right, I'm going to stop and we'll get ourselves ready, okay?
Yep.
Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Right, over to the top of the alternator with my 1/2 inch AFs. I'm going to undo that. You don't have to undo it a lot, just enough so they're loose. Swap them round. That's plenty. Right, off with those. On with a 9/16. Still on undo on the ratchet.
30 seconds gone.
On with that. So that is now adjusted. I'm doing this blindfolded, you know.
1 minute gone.
So I'm panicking now. Done.
That is 1 minute 30.
Just a final check. Yeah, it's absolutely spot on. Look at that.
Show that again.
There you go. So it is possible to do it in less than 5 minutes. I didn't really like doing it under pressure. It was a bit odd. So there we go. So it is possible to do it under 5 minutes. So there we go. So just remember, if you're adjusting your fan belt, it's 1/2 inch of play on the longest run, especially on alternators and dynamos on 1098s and 948s. But for the earlier Series 2 with the softer bearings on the old cast water pumps, you want 1 inch of play on your fan belt, so it puts less pressure on the dynamo bearings and the water pump bearings. And there we go. So that is the Blind Man Morris Can You Do Your Fan Belt Adjustment in Less Than 5 Minutes challenge. Let me know how you get on, and I'm going to challenge Mark from a Work in Progress YouTube channel, a brilliant channel if you want to see work on a Morris Traveller. He does brilliant videos, Mark, good friend of ours, and I'm going to challenge him to do it without a blindfold and then with a blindfold, and let's see how he gets on. See you next time.